Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to turn on voice chat in Roblox. To start, open up the Roblox app and head to your settings. Scroll down and select settings from the more menu. Now there are a few steps, so make sure you're following along. Firstly, ensure you meet the age requirements of at least 13 years old. Verify your email and phone number to streamline the process. If you are 13 and have both verified, you might be able to use voice chat without further age verification. Navigate to the privacy section. Some might find the option to enable voice chat right away. If not, it means you need to verify your age. Click on account info to confirm your birthday is accurate. Next, click verify my age. First of all, it will ask you to enter your email for an account information and click to continue. To complete age verification, be prepared with a valid ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompt, take a picture of your ID and submit them. These steps ensure you secure verification. Once your age verified, return to privacy and you should now see the option to enable voice chat. Turn it on and agree to the terms. Now let's see how to use voice chat in Roblox game. In the game interface, locate the microphone icon above your character. Then tap in to enable voice chat. You see the green spike indicating your voice is being broadcasted. If you want to mute yourself, simply tap the icon again. For additional settings, tap the Roblox icon in the top left, go to settings, and adjust volume settings accordingly. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.